Hey guys, so here is the Moisturizing Dead Sea Salt Soap from Ahava. Same details as in the previous video for the mud soap. The same 3.4 ounces, $14 Canadian, 11 US, sold on the Ahava website. And also, if you're in Canada, it is also sold at the Bay. Now, the claims for this soap is that it will cleanse and restore the skin's natural balance with a salt-based, non-drying soap that's gentle enough for the face and body, replenishes lost nutrients, and promotes hydration while removing dirt and impurities. So I'll give you a look at the back here for those that love reading the soap boxes. This is the side. It's in another language. That's the soap. Also, I did want to mention that this is a soapless cleanser that restores the skin natural pH. That's what they say. So we're going to go ahead and see how this performs while it's wet, and I'll give you my opinions and final recommendations at the end. And here's the Ahava sea salt. Again, this is also soapless. Here comes my daughter. Well, I'm just going to cut this short anyways. These are face bars. This is not for the body. You could use it for the body. I personally wouldn't. I would use this to wash my face. Ahava. So here's the Ahava Moisturizing Salt Soap. What do you think? What did you think? Do you already use the soap? Me personally, I'm going to finish using it, but I don't think I would repurchase this soap either, just like the mud soap. Sorry, this is too small of a soap. Dead Sea or not, salt, Dead Sea salt, Dead Sea mud, it doesn't matter. For $14, this is too small of a soap. And especially, I don't think this is not for the body. For me, I wouldn't use this on the body. I'd use this as a facial soap. And there is better sea salt soaps out there. For example, a bigger and better quality of a sea salt soap bar would be from Prix de Provence, and it's about $2 less. And it is, yeah, bigger. So that's their sea salt. But just because this is not for me doesn't mean it's not for you. Don't follow my advice. Do your own.